Welcome once again to our Tagalog language learning lesson. Inaanyayahan ko po kayong muli. That's the Tagalog version. This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez. Ako po si Binibining Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, speaking to you about the video. New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am. Guro dito po sa Nueva York, Amerika, kung saan po ako ay naroon. Author of 22 books, may akda ng 22 aklat. And I'm also a university professor at the University of the East. After graduation from college, where I and my brothers and sisters studied from elementary, high school, all the way to our college graduation. And that's my BSCD, Bachelor of Science in Education. I'm also a journalist and teacher and school paper advisor. And my students, especially the editors, the valedictorians, are really brilliant and always win the writing contest. MSCD, Master of Science in Education. I graduated here at Fordham University, here in Manhattan, New York City, New York, USA. Where I'm a New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am a university professor as well. And welcome to Speak Tagalog. This is my first book among my 22 books, Speak Tagalog, a basic primer. And this book, Christ-like Mom and Dad, is also in English Tagalog version. Makadiyos Kristo na Tatay at Nanay. Written by yours truly, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD, and all my 22 books you'll find worldwide at Amazon, at skirtspress.com. I speak Tagalog. And Christ like Mom and Dad, Makadiyos Kristo na Tatay at Nanay, you'll find worldwide. And at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSCDMSCD.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com. And you will notice my small board, ABC. Miss Gutierrez is a special teacher, and this is a gift from my student, a valedictorian from the Philippines. She was born in New York as well. And welcome once again in Tagalog. Inaanyayahan ko po kayo to our Tagalog language learning. And we continue with our parts of speech that I have shown you in the first video, the 9 parts of speech. Parts, bahagi of, ng in Tagalog, speech, pananalita in Tagalog. First syllable pa, second syllable na, third syllable na, fourth syllable li, and fifth syllable ta, pananalita. And the third part of speech, parts, bahagi of, ng speech, pananalita, is pandiwa. First syllable pan, second syllable di, third syllable wa. Pandiwa in English, verb. Pandiwa in English is verb. And what is pandiwa? Ano ang pandiwa in Tagalog? Verb in English. It is an action word. An action word. Gumagalaw na pananalita. Example, in English, the student is studying. That's the verb. Is studying. Is the linking verb. So the verb or pandiwa is studying. In Tagalog, ang mag-aaral. Ang student mag-aaral is studying ay nag-aaral. Let's repeat. Example, in English, the student is studying. Is a linking verb. Is studying. In Tagalog, ang student mag-aaral is ay in Tagalog nag-aaral. Let me close that up because it's a little bit blurry. N-A-G, nag-aaral. In English is studying. Ay nag-aaral. Let's review the third parts of speech. Parts, bahagi, bahagi of, ng, speech, pananalita. The third parts of speech, ang ikatlong bahagi ng pananalita ay pandiwa. Pandiwa. Pandiwa, in English, verb. What is a verb or pandiwa? A verb or pandiwa is an action word. Pandiwa ay salitang gumagalaw. Example in English, the student is studying. Is a linking verb. In Tagalog, the, ang, student, mag-aaral, is, in Tagalog, ay, studying, in Tagalog, nag-aaral. Nag-aaral. Ang, the, student, mag-aaral, is, ay, in Tagalog, studying, in Tagalog, nag-aaral. Studying, in Tagalog, nag-aaral. So, that's our pandiwa or verb lesson, parts of speech today. I hope you learned something. Thank you all for watching. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. See you all again. Magkita uli po tayo. God bless us all. Pagpalain po tayo ng may kapal. Take care. Enjoy learning a language besides your own for friendship, diplomacy, and travel.